here. How you doing today? Thank you so much for joining me, and thank you so much for considering being part of the Beanbeauti fan club. Yay! I am proposing 2 tiers for y'all for the membership that we will be having. We will also be going through the membership. We'll be going through the Discord platform, so you'll have to sign up for Discord platform so that YouTube can launch you to the Discord platform, so that we can all have a community over there and have a good place to talk and to communicate. I have looked at various different platforms, and I think that's probably going to be the easiest one to navigate for all of us. The first tier is $3.99 a month. That tier will give you access to the Discord, and that will give you access to talking and chatting with the people who are in Discord, in the Discord group. Tier 2 is going to be $9.99 a month, and that is going to have the same access that you have for the Discord, as well as once a month we will have a pop-up live that you'll have access to. The pop-up live will either be through YouTube link, or it'll be through the Discord. It'll be through one of those mediums. I haven't quite ironed that out yet. There are a lot of things that I want to do, but I also want to give y'all a voice in helping me plan the content for Discord, and kind of give me what you're wanting to do. And once Discord, I kind of get an idea, if anybody at all wants to join me over there, then we will have our first pop-up meeting or pop-up live with everybody, and so that we can kind of get a voice with everybody. And then after that, we will do the tier 2 that I'm calling the first tier is $3.99, and that's the Beanbeauti fan club. We're all part of the Beanbeauti fan club. Yes, Pupper, part of the Beanbeauti fan club. Tier 2 is a super fan club. You'll be part of the super fan club, that you get the pop-up lives once a month. And I will be having some surveys and some questions for y'all, so that y'all can help me build the content over on Discord and see what we have to offer for tier 2. I was planning to launch a 3rd tier, but in lieu of me just being sick, I didn't want to overextend myself. I wanted to start small, and then we can build the tier 3 platform that has a little bit more kind of one-on-one kind of situations, but we'll build that a little bit slowly and kind of get an interest from those who are on the platform, who come on the platform. Okay, Bean Beauties, a little housekeeping just so that you know where your money goes. When you join the membership, you're joining through YouTube. YouTube will launch you to Discord. Your YouTube email and your Discord email have to be the same. So when you create your Discord membership through Discord, you have to download the app, the Discord app, and then you have to join that app, and you have to use the same email, because that's the way YouTube and Discord will talk to each other and give you permission to join the Discord that way. So you got to keep that continuity with your emails through that. That's the only way we know that it's been your payment goes through YouTube. However you choose to pay that, it is between you and YouTube, and YouTube gives me 70% of the revenue, and the rest of it YouTube keeps. Then that revenue will just help me build the content over that we're planning to have over on Discord, and kind of help with that. If you have any questions, feel free to email me, Instagram me, or if you're gonna do the Discord, send me a private message in Discord, and we will get started. Okay, thank you very much. Love y'all. Bye bye.